Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself precisely. Load the map, confirm your spawn, and set difficulty so resources spawn predictably. Once done, move to base camp and claim the nearest resource node. This gives the supplies you need to sustain the early push. Make sure to equip the scaffold or grappling tool immediately because timing matters. Delays allow competitors to block the route. Keep movements deliberate and quiet. Conserve stamina so you can execute the next sequence without interruption or wasted repairs. Now you execute the complex middle phase. Ascend the scaffold 2 tiers, lock your position, and deploy the anchor to stabilize the approach. Once anchored, watch environmental cues and time your jump for the wind lull. This reduces drift and increases accuracy toward the upper ledge. Make sure to top off health and energy beforehand because a failed jump costs progress. Maintain situational awareness. Adjust angle and speed on the fly so you can land reliably and prepare for the final sequence. For the finish, commit to a controlled sprint, then a timed double jump to latch onto the peak rim. Precision beats brute force here. Once you hold the rim, secure the peak by placing your flag or objective item and deploy a shield for about 10 to 15 seconds to prevent interruptions. If you miss, don't panic. Reset to the last checkpoint, reduce your sprint speed by around 20% to improve control, and repeat the anchor jump sequence until you consistently land.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.